Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Hole Dozer is probably one of the most versatile and durable hole saws on the market, designed to tackle a wide range of materials with impressive efficiency and precision, making it an indispensable tool for any serious DIYer or professional tradesperson looking to make clean, accurate holes in wood, metal, plastic, and even some masonry applications. Number 5. HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit, your comprehensive solution for various cutting needs. This kit is designed for efficiency and durability. This extensive set includes 13 saw blades in various sizes, 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits for easy replacement, an installation plate, and a hex key. You'll have everything you need for your projects. Crafted with heat-treated carbon steel, the saw blades ensure fast, precise cuts. Their black surface treatment provides rust resistance and wear resistance for a long lifespan. These durable and reliable blades are perfect for soft wood, plywood, drywall, and PVC. They are ideal for a wide range of applications, making your work easier. Everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy, compact storage box. This makes it incredibly convenient to store and easy to take with you wherever you go. Inside the box, you'll find 13 hole saw blades, 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits, 1 hex key, 1 installation plate, a storage box, and a user manual. Get ready to tackle your projects with confidence. What we like. This set offers a wide variety of sizes for general use. It's constructed from durable carbon steel for longevity. If you are working primarily with softer materials like wood, plywood, drywall, or PVC, and need a comprehensive kit, this is a great choice. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Dozer blades are designed with a sharp, aggressive tooth geometry for faster cutting. These blades feature a bimetal construction that provides increased durability and a longer lifespan. The Hole Dozer blades are engineered for efficient chip removal, reducing the risk of overheating and binding. Number 4. HYCHIKA 17 Pcs Bimetal Hole Saw Kit. Experience superior durability with our bimetal hole saw kit. Crafted from high-hardness alloy steel, these blades offer exceptional wear resistance and a long lifespan for all your cutting needs. Achieve cleaner, smoother, and more precise cuts thanks to the optimized tooth design. The integrated chip removal groove ensures efficient material ejection for a faster, cleaner cut. This extensive set includes 11 bimetal hole saws in various sizes, 2 mandrels, 3 drill bits, and a hex key. With a maximum cutting depth of 40 mm, it's ready for any project. Effortlessly cut through soft metal, wood, PVC board, plastic, and gypsum board. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for various DIY and professional tasks. Keep your tools organized and ready to go with the included sturdy storage case. It's compact and easy to carry, ensuring your hole saws are protected and accessible wherever you work. You'll receive everything you need: 11 hole saw blades, 2 mandrels, 3 drill bits, 1 hex key, a storage box, and a user manual. It's a complete solution for your cutting requirements. What we like. Featuring bimetal construction with high-speed steel teeth, this kit is built for tougher jobs. It offers higher precision and faster cutting with improved chip removal. If you need to cut through soft metal in addition to wood and plastics, this is the set you should consider. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Dozer is a great bit for drilling through wood and metal. It's very sharp and cuts through materials quickly and cleanly. The bit is also very durable and lasts a long time. Number 3. Milwaukee Hole Dozer 17 PC Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee Hole Dozer 17-piece Hole Saw Kit. This comprehensive set includes 9 different sizes to tackle any job. It also comes with a durable case for easy storage and transport. Experience superior durability with Rip Guard technology. Its exceptionally strong tooth form, reinforced with added steel behind the cutting edge, ensures long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to frustrating plug removal. The innovative plug jack features an all-access slot design, making it quick and easy to eject material. Crafted with bimetal construction and 8% cobalt, this tool offers enhanced wear resistance. It's built to withstand demanding applications and provide reliable results. This kit provides a wide range of sizes, from 3/4 inch to 2 to 1/2 inch. You'll have the perfect size for virtually any drilling task. Everything you need is included in this 17-piece set. It conveniently comes with a case to keep your tools organized and protected. What we like. This kit boasts bimetal construction fortified with 8% cobalt for superior wear resistance. Its rip-guard tooth form provides exceptional strength, and the plug jack design ensures easy plug removal. If you demand maximum durability and efficiency for demanding applications, this is the professional-grade option. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Dozer blades are designed for fast, clean cuts. These blades are very durable and hold their edge well, even after extensive use. The aggressive tooth geometry on the Hole Dozer allows for efficient material removal. Number 2. Milwaukee 49-22-4025 Hole Dozer Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee 49-22-4025 Hole Dozer Hole Saw Kit. This 13-piece set is designed for general-purpose use. You'll find it incredibly easy to use and handle. Its design ensures a smooth and straightforward operation for any task. This tool is built for durability. You can rely on its robust construction to withstand demanding jobs. It's perfect for a wide range of general-purpose applications. Get the job done efficiently with this versatile kit. Experience the quality and reliability Milwaukee is known for. This hole saw kit is a testament to their commitment to excellence. What we like. This general-purpose kit is designed for ease of use and handling. It offers high durability for everyday tasks. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward hole saw set for common applications without needing specialized features, this is a solid, dependable choice. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Dozer blades are designed with a thick, durable construction that holds up well to demanding applications. The aggressive tooth geometry on the Hole Dozer allows for fast and efficient material removal, making it ideal for tough jobs. Users have reported that the Milwaukee Hole Dozer provides clean and precise cuts, even through dense materials like hardwood and metal. Number 1. Milwaukee 49-56-7250 Quick Change Arbor. Experience unparalleled ease of use with this essential accessory. Its intuitive design makes any task simpler. Crafted for longevity, this tool is engineered to withstand demanding job sites. You can rely on its robust construction for years to come. Achieve accurate results every time. This accessory is designed for precision, ensuring your work is done right. Switch between tasks in an instant. The quick change feature saves you valuable time and effort on the job. Proudly made in China, this product embodies a commitment to quality and performance. It's a reliable addition to your toolkit. What we like. This accessory is all about convenience and durability. Its quick change design makes switching between bits effortless. If you already have a set of hole saws and are looking to improve your workflow with a robust and user-friendly arbor, this is the perfect addition. What people say. The Milwaukee Hole Dozer is a great tool for drilling through various materials. It features a durable construction that ensures longevity and reliable performance. The design allows for efficient chip removal, preventing clogging and maintaining drilling speed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.